Over time, dust and other contaminants on a vinyl record can diminish the sound quality, cause premature record wear, and possibly damage the turntable stylus. Audio-Technica offers several record and stylus cleaning products designed to enhance the vinyl experience and prolong the life of your record collection. The AT6011A anti-static brush is ideal for light cleaning on newer vinyl. The anti-static conductive synthetic fibers quickly remove surface dust from the record groove, improving tracking and fidelity. Designed for dry cleaning records, do not use any liquid on the AT6011A's brush. Start the record spinning on the turntable. Rotate the protective cover, exposing the anti-static brush. While firmly holding the cleaner, position it perpendicular to the record surface. Gently lower the cleaner onto the spinning record, allowing the brushes to gently wipe the record groove. When the cleaning process is complete, touch the cleaner's brush to the center spindle to discharge static. Finally, clean the brush by pivoting it back and forth across the protector. Store the cleaner with the protector covering the brush. For a deeper dry cleaning experience, the AT6013A record cleaner provides dual-action cleaning power. Its two carbon fiber brushes and central velvet pad work together, collecting dust and grime in a single pass over the record, while the anti-static brush fibers remain straight, deep cleaning the record groove. Remove the cleaner from its protective storage bracket. Hold the cleaner firmly to avoid dropping it on the record. Start the record spinning on the turntable. While holding the cleaner perpendicular to the record surface, carefully lower it onto the spinning record. Apply minimum pressure to ensure the brushes engage the groove without bending. Gently wipe the record, then sweep the cleaner upward, retaining the dust on the velvet pad. After using the AT6013A, clean its brush and velvet pad by using the metal guard bracket to gently scrape off the dust and other collected residue. When not in use, store the cleaner in its metal guard bracket. For excessively dirty records, the AT6012 Record Cleaning Kit gently deep cleans the record groove, improving fidelity and tracking. Designed specifically for cleaning LP and EP vinyl. Do not use the AT6012 to clean SP78 RPM shellac records. The Sonic Broom Velvet Brush Pad and optimized record care solution work together to remove microdust, dissolve fingerprints, and eliminate static electricity. Before using the record care solution, remove the inner protective lid beneath the dispensing cap. Carefully dispense about 5 drops of the solution into each of the small holes on the top of the brush pad. After a few minutes, the solution will moisten the velvet pad. Start the record spinning on the turntable. The Sonic Broom is optimized to deep clean in one direction. Carefully lower the Sonic Broom pad onto the spinning record with the arrow pointing as shown. Gently wipe the record surface for several revolutions without applying excess pressure. After cleaning the record, use the blue wiper on the storage base to remove excess dust from the Sonic Broom pad. For more information on these and other record care products, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.